Hey everyone! Did you know that origami, the art of paper folding, dates back over 1,000 years? Pretty cool, right? Well, have you ever wanted to make a paper bird that actually flaps its wings? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fun and simple origami project that'll impress your friends and family. Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a flapping bird. Don't worry if you're new to origami, this project is super easy and perfect for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience under your belt, you'll be able to follow along and create your very own flapping bird in just a few minutes. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about something that often stops people from trying origami. Many folks find it intimidating or way too complex. I get it. There are so many intricate designs out there that can make anyone feel overwhelmed. But here's the secret, origami can actually be really simple and fun. Today, I'm going to break it down step by step, so you can see just how enjoyable and satisfying this craft can be. So, don't let those complicated projects scare you away. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a square piece of paper. You can use any paper you have lying around, printer paper, colored paper, or even wrapping paper. Just make sure it's square. We're going to start by folding the paper in half diagonally to create a triangle. Make sure to crease it well. Next, take the top corner of the triangle and fold it down to meet the bottom point. This will form a smaller triangle at the top. Now, flip your paper over, and we're going to fold the sides in towards the center. This creates a kite shape. Don't worry if your folds aren't perfect. The beauty of origami is in its imperfections. Now, we'll fold the top point of the kite down a bit, just to create the bird's head. You can shape it however you like. Next, take the bottom flaps of the kite and fold them outwards to create the wings. Make sure you give them a nice crease so they'll flap well. And here's a tip, you can adjust the angle of the wings to make your bird look different. Now, let's give it a little fluff. Pinch the bottom of the bird to make it puff out a bit, which will help with the flapping action. Climax/key moment. Okay, here comes the exciting part. Let's see our creation come to life. Hold the bird from the bottom and give it a gentle pinch to see those wings start to flap. Isn't that amazing? It's like you brought a paper bird to life. You can customize your bird by drawing on it or using different colors of paper. The more you practice, the better your birds will get, and I can't wait to see how they turn out. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we started with a square piece of paper, folded it into a triangle, created the kite shape, made the head, and finally formed the wings. It was simple, right? Remember, the best part is how fun and rewarding this whole process is. You can make a whole flock of these flapping birds in no time. Call to action, CTA. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments how your flapping birds turned out. I'd love to hear about your experience. And don't forget to check out my other origami tutorials for more fun projects. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy folding, everyone!